Silver last week has hit the 12-year high levels, and it has breached the highs which we had seen in the recent past 4 months back. We have seen silver moving towards 30 to 70 levels before closing the week with a little drop at 3160. Can we say that there is going to be a further bull run in silver in the coming week and in the month of October, or the prices have peaked here, double top almost, and a reversal is seen? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. So do watch till the end. And this is a weekly review. I do share my monthly and in fact twice a day detailed analysis on multiple time frames. First with the Asia, next with the US session, and give you the proper reasoning and proper entries with the reasoning as well, where which can make you trade profitably. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis. Press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort, and do like, share, and comment, friends. It is always a great motivation from you all. Now, let's start with the weekly chart, or let's begin with the daily charts first. See, if you look at the daily charts, rise, retracement, second round of rise, possibility of a retracement exists. Connect the dots, connect the dots. Where are the lows of this channel? The more time it spends here on the upside, the higher the price is going to be. Where are the lows here? Towards $30 levels. Yes, if it starts to retrace from the current levels, we can see a major down move here. But if you look at the daily charts, what is happening? Just connect the dots here. It is still respecting this bullish channel. Thus, it is very, very important for silver to now trade below 31.20, $31. In the coming week, this is going to be a prime resistance zone, and then below that 30.50 levels. If these levels are taken, we can look forward to a greater correction which is going to take the prices towards 29.80 or in fact lower levels here. Possibility exists, but right now I can say that the movement is not supportive of such strong bearishness. However, the stronger the rise, the stronger can be the pullback. See what has happened here: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and it is now respecting the lows. It can again deliver a stronger bullish candle, taking the prices towards the highs at 33. So right now the stance for silver is still not bearish. As long as it respects $31 levels, we should not be treating this as bearish. Yes, it could break out again, and if you see it is staying above 32.20, 32.30 in the coming week, we can look forward to a move towards 33, in fact 33.50 as well. Possibility is high. If you look at the moving averages, these have just crossed over. These are trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards here. And too much of divergence though calls for it to converge. But see, this rise is coming after weeks of retracement. So it appears that this bull run here might continue here for a while. And that is why I say even silver, if you see it staying at $30 levels, you can expect a pullback later. If you look at the stochastic on the daily charts, very near to the top, trying to drop from the top here. While if you look at the MACD is still rising, looking upwards. A bit of conversion here means couple of red candles may lead to another round of rise where the prices can hit the highs here. See, if you look at the moment rise, retracement rise, it could retrace or converge and then hit the highs before reversing. So it appears that the month of October might be another bullish month for silver. Possibility exists, but again, there are greater resistances which it needs to break on the upside. If you look at the RSI, this is also very much near to the top. So on the daily charts, it appears that silver, despite showing a stronger bull run, it is not suggestive of complete bearishness. It is not suggestive of a sharper reversal in the silver prices. So this is what at least we can expect for the charts here on the daily charts. Now coming to the weekly charts. On the weekly charts also, if you see rise, retracement, rise, and weeks of retracement. Now see, it has formed a very strong base here at 28. Now forming the base at 28, 27, 50, we have seen three straight bullish candles. The last week also, if you see, it has delivered higher highs. Now this, see, the body sizes are almost staying stagnant, though it is possible that is respecting higher highs means respecting 30-50 levels or 31 levels, we can say that the silver is going to deliver similar size of bullish candles. This possibility you cannot ignore here, because see two steps here, one bullish candle and this candle could be another one which can be seen here, because see weeks of bearishness before it has given this break. So it may continue here on the upside, but I will say uh, look at the move, the diminishing bearishness, and if the prices are seen trading below 30 or 29.50, we can look forward to a greater correction in the prices as well. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Yes, though it has hit higher highs, it also increases the chances of reversal. So now on the weekly charts also we have got another important support at 30, 40, 30, 50. So first is in the coming week you have to watch out how it behaves at 31, 31.20. This is going to be a prime support zone. Then the next support zone is at 30, 40, 30, 50 levels. If these two levels are taken, then you can say that the bears are back, and then we can look forward to a greater correction. As long as these levels are respected, we should not be treating silver as moving averages here are trading with divergence and staying bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic is back to overbought zone, and the MACD, if you look at MACD, has retraced here. It is now willing to cross over, and this crossover can lead to series of bullish candles on the weekly charts. Now, if you look at the formation as well, rise, retracement, and this could lead to another round of rise towards the highs here. So for silver, despite there is a possibility of a reversal in gold, but looking at the silver, I expect that there is lot much of up move or lot much of room available for a bullish move here, and thus these two metals are going to remain opposite, and we have to be specifically on the uh, buy side, remain cautious with this gold, while on the sell side remain cautious with this silver here. So these are the two metals in perspective. But on the weekly charts, you can look at RSI rising as well. So yes, silver still suggests a little bullish perspective. Now coming to the month, on the monthly charts, look at the formation here. These are the levels what we had seen in end of 2012 and 2013. That is where we have seen such prices in silver, and it is back to this zone. Also, if you look at the move here, a stronger breakout, then retracement for a couple of years, and then this breakout has appeared. Now if you look at the formation, it has been trading in this zone here. Now see, rise, retracement, rise could call for a little retracement. Now the closer of the coming month or this month is going to remain critical. See what has happened, it has put the pressure on the bands to expand. Also it has almost hit slightly higher highs, or you can say double top as well, and this greener candle is coming after 2 to 3 months of consolidation. So yes, a rise here from 22. We had seen prices hitting 32, a 50% rise here, then a retracement, and now in this month itself, silver has yielded almost 50%, 15% rise here. So yes, this also leads, if it closes in green, this also leads a scope for the next month to stay bullish. As 3 months of retracement are done, couple of bullish candles or 2 to 3 bullish candles can be seen here. Also, yes, it is consolidated here for months and years before giving a breakout. So this breakout run might continue. Stochastic comfortable. Look at the MACD. This is divergent. This is bullish, looking upwards, and it appears that there is not much of a scope available on the upside before it reverses. RSI rising as well, which is also good. If you look at the 4-hour charts, because this is a weekly review, this is 4-hour charts are also equally important. See the rise and retracement, the rise and retracement, the rise and retracement. And if you look, connect the dots here, this is almost at the bottom of the channel. So this zone is going to remain important. And that is why I say 31, 31.20 levels you should watch out for. Only and only if you see prices trading below this, we can say we are looking forward to a greater down move here, which can take the prices towards 30.50 or 30.40 levels, below which more bearishness may prevail. Right now, if you look at the 4-hour chart, see the drop here, the retracement, the drop here, this could retrace lower highs, lower lows, and on the upside now 32.20, 32.30 zone is going to remain critical. If you see silver trading above 32.20, 32.30, you can say that the bulls will be taking over, and then we can look forward to a good rise here. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, with global presence, with easier transactions, easier withdrawals opportunity, and a safer environment for you to trade. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads on offer such that you can trade with ease. So do join it today and enjoy trading. Now let's talk about the levels. See, I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 3180 now, and 3180 is going to remain a good resistance zone, 80-85, and then you can look forward to 32-10 levels, then 32-25, and if it breaks this, you can look forward to a move towards 32-50, 32-80, and there is a possibility that it can breach this zone as well if it stays above this. See, this is going to remain the prime level here. These are going to remain critical for silver on the upside. As long as these levels are respected, these all levels are going to remain critical. As long as these levels are not taken, we should not be treating silver as bullish. Breaking this zone is where you can say that the bulls will be taking over, and then I will be looking forward to 33.15, 33.45, and in fact 3370 levels. Chances for which I am writing in red, chances for which for the coming week appears to be very, very, very less. And thus you should be taking a position. These levels are going to remain greater resistance even if silver shows an up move here. Now, where to? I will recommend a selling entry at 3140 levels. Expect it to keep moving towards 3115, 31. And once these levels are taken, you can look forward to 3075. Then the most important one, 3050, 3040 zone will come into picture. Once it breaches this zone, you can just stay bearish, and then you can look forward to 2975, and then 2960 zone. I do not see this coming. Also, be careful. I do not see this coming in the coming week. Possibility is there that even if it tries to drop, it can limit the movement towards this zone, or in fact can bounce back from this zone itself. So you have to watch out with caution. As long as silver stays above 3040, 3050, we can see a possible pullback. But once it draws below 3040, 3050, we can say that the bears are back in action, and then we can look forward to a complete reversal where in fact the prices can move towards $29 as well. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the daily updates twice a day for silver. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.